Hello YouTube. Today I'll be playing some Black Ops 3 on my PS3. Oh yeah, thumbs up. And I will be playing without my glasses on. I almost poked my eye. Let me just fix my camera. Sorry for that blocking. That was just my arm. Let's get into the game now. Let me just move a bit away from my camera. Okay. That may or may not be good. Gotta make sure not to make this more than 15 minutes long. Come on, alright. Piece of crap. There. Oh god darn it. Gosh darn it. Well. Oh crap, I must have just left that game. Whoopsies. Did I just join a game? Yes! Finally! I have finally joined the game. I need... Just hearing things now. Where's my glasses? Oh crap. Oh, there's my glasses. Sorry for getting in there. Hardcore team deathmatch. Bye. Wall running is the best. Kool-Aid man. Oh yeah. Okay, I need my glasses on. Oh, who's that over there? I guess you want some popsicles. No, 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 no. No lag. No lag while I'm wall running. No, 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 no. Okay. Alright, no, 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 no. Crap. No, 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 no. No, no, no! No! No, 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 no. Okay. Okay, I think I'm done lagging for now. No! I'm sad. I'm gonna drown myself. I've actually never done this. No! Don't drown me! No! No! Oh, I almost drowned. Oh my god. Was I being shot at? Yep, I was! Oh, shit. No. No! Ooh, yay. Magical! Ah, 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 ah. Ah. No, please no lag. Yay, no lag happened that time. Vito. You hear me yell out? That means the game's being a piece of crap. Oh crap, I can't even clap. Now I have hiccups. Oh my god, screw you. Screw you! Screw you, the plug. Just screw you. Go drown yourself in the water in game. Or you can just leave game. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ugh. Screw you! No! No! Okay, thanks. No!
Care package inbound.
Bye!
Rolling thunder deployed.
How long have I been playing? Holy crap! Aw. He killed me. No. Lag, no lag, 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 lag. Go away, please. Please go kill yourself, lag. I hate the lag. Whoa, oh. Okay. No, I don't want to go in the wall. I don't want to go in. What the heck? What the heck was that? Okay, you went bye-bye there. Please don't take an hour long, please. If you do, I'll just... I don't know. Water! Ooh. I'm happy. Okay, I didn't have a glitch. Ready. But the lag is my glitch from now on. Ah! Ah! I was about to crap myself. I'll crap myself. I'ma look at you through the window, little kids. I'ma go drown in the water. Yippee. No. Good. Good game. Very good. Good game. Very good game. Aw, he shot my wiener. I'm gonna lose. 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 Because I suck at this game. I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. I am gonna lose. I'm staring at you. Headshot! No! 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 No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yay!
Hostile ACX.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm coming for you. Yeah. Okay, I got no score. No, 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 no.
Yeah, they're in behind the house.
I'm winning! Yay! Nope, seriously. Gonna end this episode here. Yay! I am terrible at Black Ops 3. Bye!